Hi all, this is Deepa. So let me welcome you all to my video session on Python modules. In the last video session, already explained functions in Python. There are three types of functions. First one is built-in functions. Second one is Python modules, and next one is user-defined functions. So what is actually modules? As I told you in the earlier session, as a program becomes more lengthy or complex, then there may be a chance, or there may be a chance of dividing that complex task into smaller segments. Okay, so modules can be defined as a smaller segments within the program. Okay, it consists of modules can be I can define as segment 1, segment 2, like that way, that can be divided into different segments. Okay, so it is a file containing functions and variables defined in separate files. Okay, so module is simply a file that contains Python code or a series of instructions. Okay, so when we break a program into smaller modules, then each module should contain functions that perform related tasks. We know that. Okay, so like each packet it will act. In each packet there will be some designated task, so it will be executing. Okay, so when we need to reuse this one, it is also possible to reuse this code. Okay, so there are some commonly used modules in Python that are used for certain predefined tasks, that are all called libraries. Okay, that types of this one is called libraries. Okay, I think my handwriting is readable for you. Anyway, I'm improving every day, I think. Anyway, I'm trying to improve. Yes. So, is that clear, all of you? First one is modules. Then second one, definition of modules we have already told. And which are all the terms we explained here. Modules. First one, modules. I'm not comfortable with this. Why? I don't know. In the earlier session, better than this one. I expect some of comments from you. Yes, okay, all right. Yes, libraries and modules. Okay, so what is significant of using module in Python? Modules also make it easier to reuse the same code in more than one program. If we have written a set of functions that is needed in several different programs, we can place those functions in a module. Okay, then we can import such modules in each program that needs to call one of the functions. Okay, so we can import such functions in our program. That is it. Okay, so let us conclude what is module. Module in Python is a file contains a collection of related functions. Is that clear? And what is libraries? Some of commonly used modules that that are used for certain predefined tasks, that are all called libraries. Then, next point, how can we import modules? We need to use that modules, no? By using import method. Okay, import statement we can. So, Python language provides two important methods to import modules. So, to import modules in Python, we can use import statement. Okay, import statement. Second one from. Okay, third one is import. Okay, so to import, this first import statement is to import entire module. Okay, from means this to import all functions or selected one only. Okay, then last one, to use modules in a program, we import them using import statement. Okay, but with the help of import statement, like import module name 1. So what is the syntax? Import is the keyword we are using. Which is the keyword? Import is the keyword we are using to import modules. I think this is clear. Let me erase all those things and clear this page. That is comfortable, I think. Okay, so modules can be imported by using import. So let us see how can we make use of import. For example, if you're using one of the module, I can tell you math module is there. Okay, math module is there. So import, why my pen is not active? Import math. Okay, is it improved my handwriting? Yeah. So, on executing this statement, Python shall perform three operations. If you're written import math statement, what are all the three operations happening or Python is performing? Let us see. First one, search for the file. Search for the, oh, just now I told my handwriting is improving. Now it's making lot of, search for the file. Which file? math.py. Is it clear? So import math will do the three operations. First one is search for the file math.py. Is it clear? Then second one, that is create space where modules recorded. Okay, create space where modules definitions and variables will be created. Second step. Okay, second operation. Then last statement, what will be that? Let me erase this part. Yes, so last one, third point, execute the statement. Execute the statements. I'm writing short forms because of the space availability. Yeah, execution, the statements in the module. Okay, in the module. Okay, so what are all the operations Python is performing when we are importing math or a module? So search for that specific module. If it is math.py, then create space where modules definitions and variables will be created. Then next one is execute the statements in the module. These are the operations happening here. So the next point is, I think it is it clear? It's clear now? Yeah. Then let me erase. Yeah. The next one, to access or to use any of the functions present in the imported module. In the imported module, we have to specify which one? The name of the module followed by the name of function, separated by a dot. I am writing in separated by a dot. So for example, I'll tell you, to use or to access the specific module in the program, what we have to do, we have to name the module, and with dot notation we can call which is the specific function we need to call from there. Then let me explain with an example, then it will be clear for you, I think. Yes, I'll tell you one thing. See, if it is, if I'm writing r equal to math dot sqrt of 64. We are all familiar with which one? This one, sqrt, square root of a function. So sqrt is one of the function that is available in math module. Is it clear? So dot operator we are using to access that square root function. So it will return the value 8 to this variable. That is actually happening. So that is it. So under math module, so many functions are available, like square root, ceil of x, floor, Next one is automatically pen is inactive. Floor, then power, then FABS, absolute value, then square root, many more are there. So this is a way to use a specific function from the specific module. Okay, so many are there. So import is a keyword we are using. Then what are all the operations the Python is performing when we are using that import statement, and which are all the functions, and how can we access or use that specific functions within the Python program, that also we explained. And next one is string module. I think that is not actually necessary to explain, because all those things already in detail in the earlier video I have explained. So if it is not watched, please watch my video for more clarification about string module and all. So let us see what is the second method to import the module. So second one is from statement we are using. So the syntax for using from statement, syntax is, we can write like this. See, from module name, which is a module name, you have to write module name, then import function name. This is the way we can use or to import modules by using from method. Okay, so next third one I told you, import star. Okay, import star, then import star, the syntax is from, I can write module name, whatever the module name I can write module name, then import star I can write, that means all the modules I can import. This is like we are using header files in C++ and all. We can invoke required header files, or we can use required header files for calling different types of commands in C++. Like that way it will be acting. Okay, so let us conclude this session. This is about modules. So Python program consists of three main components, which are the library or package, modules, function or sub-functions. These are the three main components of Python. So relationship between module, package and library, let us revise quickly. Module, there is no need to tell you again and again for getting bored, so I am skipping that one. Python package is a simply directory of Python modules, and library also we have already explained that is the most of the modules we are using, repeatedly using for the execution of a specific task. So these are the main three components in a Python program. Okay, so which are all the things we discussed in this session. What is Python module, and how can we import modules, and what is libraries, and which are the three methods to import modules in Python. Okay, I think it is very clear to you.